Down. Yeah, this. Okay, how many of you are done with it? Done, right? You can change the name of the application, the page name over there. Just try experimenting with it. I will let you know. So, anybody issues? Anybody having any issues?
You can change it, you can resize it. That's good. Just experiment. Yeah. You can put the background color, which is or else you can go and set for the properties in the right side corner.
It has this properties, right? This properties. There you will go and select the brush. Brush there. Select the brush. This collapse.
Now click on it.
So you can set the background here, or the foreground, or you can feel it. No, the image. Okay, good going.
I guess I gave some, but I don't know what it's like.
So everybody is done with the first sample, right? Very good. Click on some button handler or username or password. This guy is doing very good. Facebook login page. Cool. Three of you guys. Okay, good.
No, you shouldn't give the password. Password was the password. Not your password. You should use your password. Default. So for text box there will be text. For password box there will be password. Right? For image you will have a source. Okay. For button you will have content. These kind of things you have to know.
Now you can rotate it. So if everybody is done, we will go with the next one. So if you have accidentally closed the toolbox or the properties pane, you can go to file menu, the menu bar, and you can go to window, menu bar, and then window, and then reset window layout. Yes. If anybody has closed the toolbox accidentally, then you can simply go to the menu bar, click on window, and then reset window layout. Click yes for that. These guys are actually doing good. So 15 minutes is done. Any pendings? So I should be able to see a sample button on your screen, and when it is clicked, you should be able to see, I should be able to see some text, your name or IPSM or something like that. So for that, just add a button and double click on it. You can just write MESSAGE box dot SHOW hello. Okay? Message box dot show of that particular text. Guys, I have asked you to do the sample one and you are here. Only have the sample three. I repeat, reset window layout, and then S. Right? You can always use control Z if you want to. See, when you are adding certain properties to each and every element, try to observe the changes that are happening in the XAML code corresponding. Say if you increase the size from 20 to 30, then how did the XAML change? Okay? The same box dot of love. That's good. But you have to end it with a semicolon. It is a string, right? So it should be in double quotes. In double quotes. Shift and one comma. Try putting at the rate of shift at the rate of. The problem is with the language. In USA, keyboards are that way. Now you try to implement something, then you click on sign in. So username and password. So done with it. So shall we proceed with the next one? Deployment failed because of Windows Phone 8 has been not detected. Windows Phone 8 has been detected. Which means, see, everybody here, listen to me once. So I was trying to show you the Windows Phone inside the laptop, right? Which is coming up over the screen. Which is called an emulator. I say this one. Emulator. Okay, this one. Because my PC is a high configured one. I was able to see it, but these PCs are not that good. Okay, these are limited, so that is why you are not able to see it. Okay, if you want to run that particular application, you either need a device or an emulator. So because emulator option is not available, so only device option has been popped up in your screens. So if you want to run your application, you have to manually connect it to some device and check it out. Okay, but now we don't have any devices. What we will try to do is try to click on build button and then rebuild solution. So if that particular rebuild solution has not thrown any error, that means your app is done. It will work fine. Okay?
But try adding some other controls in there.
Try drag and drop image control, drag and drop buttons, one or more buttons, drag and drop text boxes, drag and drop text blocks. Problem is with the keyboard. Maybe you can shift and shift to. Can somebody give me a data for this?
Anybody saying data?
So if you are done with it, go proceed making the second application, which is the web browser application. Okay, we will look into different controls after we are done with the 3 sample applications. Okay?
You set an image, right? You want to put a Facebook icon.
So go and download the Facebook icon. Save the Facebook icon. No. Minimize it, open Internet Explorer. See, one of your friends actually asked a very good question. He dragged and dropped an image control. Okay? He dragged and dropped an image control onto the screen. and he wants to put some image into it. So that image that he wanted to put is the Facebook icon. Okay? How to achieve this task? So the first thing he has to do is to download the Facebook icon, right? He will go to google.com, search for the Facebook icon and then download it and save it onto his desktop. Okay? After that, what he will have to do is, I'll show you. Just look at the screens. So, is it visible?
ఎదురు కూర్చుని నేను చేపిస్తాను కూర్చుని వేరే జాబ్ చూసుకోండి చేసుకోండి.
So look at the solution. See, everyone. So I have a sample page, and I am dragging and dropping an image control here. Okay, which is here. Okay. Now I am going to google.com. Google.com, and I am searching for Facebook icon. Facebook icon. Okay, this is the Facebook icon. Now I have selected one of the icons and I am going to save it. First of all, I have to save it, right? Save this image as. I am going to save this image on desktop with name FBICON. FBI. Okay? Now we can right click on the phone assets, not on solution, not on the solution. You can click on the project name. Okay? Right click. Or else you can click on the assets folder. Click on the assets folder. Okay? Add. So I want to add an image which is already existing, right? So it is already existing on my desktop. So I have right clicked on my assets folder, added the image which is an existing item. Select the second option, existing item, and upon that go to desktop. What is the file name? FBICon.jpg, right? So I have selected it and I am adding it. So this has added to my assets folder. Okay? Clear? Now when you click on this image button and you click on properties, there is a field called as source. So when you click on the down button, it will show a list of the icons or the images that are already available in your project, assets folder. Okay? So you will select the FBI icon and automatically go to the down. Okay? Done? Should I repeat it again? Just drag and drop an image, right click on assets, add existing item, the item name, and add it to the solution, and click on the image one, and go to properties, and then source. So try experimenting with these stretch options, like uniform, fill, uniform to fill, these kind of options. See, every action is generating some kind of UI change on the screen. The fill is doing something. Okay, none is doing something. So, okay, try to experiment with it. If it is not a Facebook icon, you can add some of the icons which are available in sample pictures, right? Any picture you can do it. So if you are done with this, go implementing the web browser sample. I did not see any of the guys who has implemented messagebox.show. You might have implemented, but we will not be able to see it because we do not have emulators, right? Just write the code and go to build and rebuild all. If that is successful, that means your app is 95% error free and will be running.